My name is Samuel. I think it's so far very educative. Personally, I've been able to learn a lot. The last session was very influencing, if I should say.
I've got to know a lot more about business than I did earlier. I've also learned something we call the imposter syndrome, where the individual tends to have this psychological pattern of doubting their skills, their accomplishments, their talents. So in order to overcome this imposter syndrome, you need to get a lot of knowledge about what you want to do.
Initially, I was thinking that it's going to be all about like digital, like being online, as in everything that has to do with the internet. But at the end, we had other things to involve, which was very, very useful. And I'm glad and privileged at the same time.
My name is Faustina. I'm a midwife, and today has been very impactful. I know how to do a lot of things, but most of the times I hide it because I think, oh, there are people doing it better than me, or when will I get there? It's been so insightful, and Tracy has done a lot of good to us by bringing on board these great speakers.